Hello, and welcome to the latest RSpace inventory update. In this update, we'll be focusing on the new export capabilities introduced. In order to complement the importing features that were introduced in the last update, we've decided to roll out some exporting features which will help you to upload your samples, subsamples, containers, and sample templates into CSV documents seamlessly. Let's get started and try to upload some subsamples and samples over here into a CSV file. Let's go ahead and finish selecting them all, and then we'll head over to the More Actions button. Click on Export, and you'll be given two options, Full and Compact. The Full option will also include custom and sample template fields. Let's go ahead and click Export, and a document will pop up. Let's go ahead and have a look at it. Here we are at the file that we've just generated by exporting our samples and subsamples. When selecting the full version, custom fields will be included, whereas when selecting the compact version, custom fields will be omitted. You can also select a container with all of this information inside. Go ahead over to More Actions, click on Export, and you'll be given an option to export your container, including or excluding all of its content. In addition, you can also go over to the Export Data button on the bottom left. This will allow you to export all of the items owned by the user, once again with the options for full and compact, and the ability to include or exclude content within containers. For more details, make sure to check out the Inventory Hub. Thank you for watching.